Get ready to creep out your friends and family this spooky season with a horror-inspired prank that involves pretending to be possessed. Whether you want to pretend to be possessed as part of a Halloween costume, or you simply want to pull a disturbing prank on your friends and family, you can learn to act the part fairly easily by following a few behavior and personality guidelines. Start by altering your behavior. Act withdrawn, respond in a monotone voice, and show disinterest in your usual hobbies. Add unsettling verbal outburst and a blank, exhausted expression to enhance the effect. To make your guys more convincing, use makeup techniques to achieve a pale, gaunt appearance, applying lighter concealer and contouring to create hollowed features. Incorporate eerie props like books on the occult and engage in odd public behaviors gradually. Remember to keep it believable and avoid overdoing the dramatic aspects to maintain the prank's effectiveness.